Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Mario Racing. Right now we are at TAKONG Racing Store in Kuala Lumpur. This is one of the best motor store you can ever find around the city. Herein we have premium riding gear brands like Alpinestars and Dainese for both racing and touring. So let's go inside and find out the best deals here. Here we go. These are the premium helmets of ARAI RX7X model. This cost you like 3,550 Malaysian ringgits, which is around 85,000 in Indian currency. Whereas in India, it cost you more than 1,20,000 rupees. So these are SHOEI X15 helmets, which is premium segment in this model. And you can find 7 times world champion Marc Marquez special editions in this X15 models, and it cost you 85,000 in Indian currency, whereas in India it's cost you like 1,60,000 rupees. There is a huge price difference of 75,000 rupees. If you guys are planning to buy these premium helmets, you better come to Malaysia and grab your favorite Marc Marquez special edition helmets. And here we have a lot of accessories for these helmets like extra paddings and smoke and different colors of visors. So this is AGV Pista GPR Winter Edition 2017 model. It costs you around 1 lakh, whereas in India it's 1,90,000 rupees. These are Alpinestars riding jackets, which comes with mesh materials. Mostly these jackets are used for daily community and city rides. Here we have protection accessories. So these are the Alpinestars knee sliders, which is used for racing suits. And this is beautiful MM93 edition Alpinestars riding shoes. Mostly these are for daily community rides. And you can see regular shoes of Alpinestars. Here we go. These are the 93 edition of Supertech boots, which is premium in this brand. Alpinestars Supertech is considered as the most protected and safest boots in the world racing. More than 70% in the grid uses Supertech in MotoGP and World Superbike Championships. These are Alpinestars GP Tech V2 gloves, which is premium and most safest gloves in the world racing community. These are the premium riding jackets in Alpinestars. Most of this gear is used for long rides and touring. Few of these jackets comes with kangaroo leathers and breathable vents on these jackets. These jackets are the most comfortable and most protected and safest riding jackets you can ever ride for touring. So these are the Alpinestars Racing one-piece leather suits. These are the most safest racing suits in the world. So these are the two racing suits I'm looking for. One is GP Atom V4 and another one is GPR7. This Atom V4 is manufactured back in 2016. It's almost 10 years old, so I can't go for this. And here we have Alpinestars GPR7. This is newly launched in 2025 and this suit is manufactured in 2026. So this is the best option for me. In GPR7 we can install airbag. It's tech air ready and it has the latest technology in terms of protection and safety. Not only in terms of protection and safety, Alpinestars is also considered as wide collection of most stylish racing bags, caps, t-shirts and hoodies.